my hair. Now for all the girls and the gays to enjoy. Good morning, guys. Change of a scenery. Alex in Malta is going on a boat ride. I am so excited about today's video because on this boat ride, I'm going to be with another 11 people with me, which are all expats that are living here in Malta. No, wait a minute. There are two people that they're actually on holiday on the island. People from Norway, from Sweden, from Serbia, from Colombia, from Venezuela, super international. Guys, this video is going to be super fun because we are sailing from Malta to Comino. We're gonna park the boat there. We have quite a lot of alcohol and some food as well. I'm gonna show you the ride, I'm gonna show you Comino, what's happening, the fun vibe, everything. Oh my god. Everyone is here and we are about to leave. So guys, hey! So we just left from Tashbish and on this side we have Sliema. This is the Tinia Point side, the edge of Sliema. And on the other side we have Valletta. Okay, so just for you to know how I'm holding my dear life on this so that I can record this video. And 15 minutes later, guys, we are passing through St. Julian's. And for those of you that this is your first time bumping into my channel and you're planning to come to Malta, Sliema and St. Julian's are the two most touristic cities on the island where you can find everything from hotels to restaurants to bars to nightlife to pubs where you can go to we can get wasted. These two are the cities that can give you like pleasure for people that are from 7 till 77. Whee! Ay, caray! The drinks are kicking in and we just arrived in Comino. We arrived in Crystal Lagoon here in Comino, and as you can see on Saturday it's quite busy with the boats. We arrived quite late. Hold on, for those that want to see me. So, where was I? I was saying that we arrived quite late, so we are experiencing quite a busy lagoon. So, you can see there is a lot of boats, but the sea is beautiful. Let me show you how it looks like. The beauty of the Mediterranean Sea. Our crystal clear crystal lagoon. Stunning. Ten cuidado. But it's time for you to meet some of my friends. I feel so intimidated now being next to a gorgeous TikTok star. This is Diana. Hola, querida.
Hello.
You live in Malta.
Yes, I am living for 4 years here in Malta.
And where are you from originally?
Colombia.
Ooh!
Sexy girl.
As I was saying, she's TikTok famous. I'm gonna put her social media down here on the screen so you can find her and you can see a lot of fun videos. Yeah. I love it. Anytime when I open TikTok, it's like you come out first and I'm like, Diana.
My God, I know. I have too many haters.
But that's good. That's engagement
yes,
as well.
Yes, I am super happy for that.
You see, this is what when you turn negative things into positive things.
Yes.
Well
yes,
done.
Really.
Speaking about this, you like living in Malta?
Yes, I love to live here in Malta. It's like my dream, to be honest, really. Because I like the people, I like the energy here.
Same.
Yes,
Same.
I like the sea. It's my God, I need to be close to the sea.
All the time. And
Yes.
you're always tanned and happy.
Yes, yes. For me, it's the happiness. Really. It's my happiness.
When you moved 4 years ago in Malta, why did you move? What was the reason?
For the English,
Ah, you were studying English.
Yes.
Yes.
still, I am improving my English. But yes, the first is for the English.
Nice.
Yes. And then I start to find a job because I like the life here.
Yeah.
I think we have like a quality of the life.
True. I agree
Yes,
with you.
yes.
Yes. When you have a good job and you have a stable income and you have good friends around
Yes.
you, whether it's Malta or somewhere else, it's always good. But Malta has a little bit more extra to give when it
Yes.
comes to the weather. As you can see on the screen as well, we are sweating. And
And we are super beautiful, you know? Not really, but Malta gives this energy. really.
Yeah, positive vibe.
Yes, all
Same.
the time, all the
Yeah.
time. Because after job you can go to be to do a lot of things that you cannot do in normal in your country. But here in Malta you can do it all these kind of things.
She should start a YouTube channel. She's taking over. So this video is going to be called Diana in Malta, not Diana in Comino.
No, but I love him. Really, he's the best. Really, I feel super happy to be with you. Really.
We know each other for many, many years. The first
Yes.
time when we met.
Yes.
And now look at us on a boat. Hey, the boys are jumping. Wait, I need to record all of this. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall down. Swedish in the water. Woohoo! And now we have German in the water. Woohoo! Venezuela! Another Swedish. Woohoo! We have another Macedonian. Woohoo! 3, 2, 1, Norway! Albania! Woohoo! And I'm just here, you know, paying attention that everyone is floating, no one is under the sea. This is Kevin from Sweden. Kevin, you live in Malta,
Yeah, I do.
but you live between Sweden and Malta.
Sweden and Malta.
It's not OnlyFans, it's YouTube.
Oh, wrong side. I thought it was OnlyFans.
What? OnlyFans is down in the cabin.
Alright, alright.
Up on the boat, it's for
alright.
YouTube. How long you've been in Malta?
Since 2018, back and forth.
Back and forth. Do you like it?
Love it.
What is the key point? What do you I said, do you like it? You said you love it. Why?
Because it's like a cowboy land. That's what I like about it. It's like,
What do you mean?
I mean, I don't care what you do, and you don't care what everyone else do. You
Yeah.
take care of your own things, you know.
Yeah.
That's what I love about it.
That makes sense. The weather compared to Sweden?
Sweden is better weather. No.
So back all about me. So you like the weather in Sweden more than the
No,
one
I
in
love it
Malta?
here. No, I hate it in Sweden.
Ah, okay. I thought you were saying that in Sweden it's better.
No.
Okay. So you like the sun, the heat.
Yeah.
But last week we had a heat wave. You missed it because you were abroad.
Yeah, because I took care of my stuff.
Do you recommend to other people to move to Malta and why? Business really, business-wise.
Business related, for sure, for sure. I mean, you have so many opportunities in different branch, like work-wise, and you can do real estate, casino, whatever.
Yeah.
But you have so much to do here compared to other countries.
Because you live on a relation of Sweden and Malta. The cost of living,
Yeah.
how can you compare it? Where is it more expensive?
Sweden, for sure.
Sweden?
And you pay much more taxes in Sweden.
Ah, okay. But that's about the taxes. But what about?
No, the general prices in supermarket, restaurants, clothes, whatever.
Sorry. Yes, of course, with my phone, so I can save it. More fun is happening on the boats, guys. People are enjoying. A lot of boats just keep on coming. Yay! Woohoo! Woo! Are you guys having fun? Enjoy it. It's a small boat. That's how much we can afford. But speaking about affording things, it's time for me to tell you the sponsor of today's video. One more time, I would like to say a big thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Maltazon. Guys, you've seen on my YouTube channel that I really respect and appreciate the brand of Maltazon, which is basically the Maltese Amazon. Imagine doing the sponsored part and I just tip over. On Maltazon you will find everything that you need for your daily. Hold on. Okay, last try. On Malta Zone, you will find everything that you need for your daily needs, and you can order their products Monday to Sunday. They're available for you guys on their official website, which is going to be linked down in the description of this video. And of course as well, they're available on Bolt and Volt. On their websites, you will find everything from batteries, from shavers, from hair products, from hair straighteners, air fryers, speakers, headphones, pretty much all the electronic devices that we use them on our daily basis. One more time, would like to say thank you to Malta Zones for partnering up in this video. All the links are going to be linked in the description of this video, and I think I'm gonna pin them as a comment as well. Now back to the boat party. More and more fun on the boat. Are you guys having fun? Now for all the girls and the gays to enjoy, we have Apollon, a Greek god that is coming from
Sweden, yeah.
from Sweden. But is here on holiday, right?
Yeah, that's correct. We're visiting our friend here, so.
Have you been in Malta before?
No, first time.
First time?
Yeah.
You like it?
I enjoy it, especially the weather. It's really shady in Sweden now, so it's nice to get here.
Kevin was saying the same.
Yeah.
Tell me, you've been here for a few days. Kevin, you want to join? Part 2. You've been here for a few days. What is like the most beautiful thing that you've seen here? What is like that gives you a positive vibe in Malta?
I would totally say the boat ride today. It's been really nice, to be honest. We haven't moved around that much the other days, just visiting some beach clubs and yeah, the beach. So yeah, today for sure.
Did you enjoy the nightlife? Did you go out in Pacheville or somewhere else in a club or something?
Haven't been out partying anything.
Better don't, because you're gonna leave with the first flight. Great.
Yeah, so no, yeah, no comments, I guess.
Enjoy the rest of the holiday, and thanks for being on my video, because I think we're gonna get more likes and subscribers with having a bodies like this. That's why I put the shirt on.
Thanks for
Thanks,
taking care
Pat.
of us today.
We are making some drinks to refresh because we are bloody sweating, guys, as you can see on the screen as well. And the barman of the day is a friend of mine from
Macedonia.
which is my birth country. Yay! 10 points goes to Macedonia. Chris, you used to live in Malta back in 2010?
2016, 17 and 19. So I was coming back for 3 times and this is my 4th time. And right now I'm here as a tourist.
In 2023. What are the main differences? Oh my god, the boat is shaking. What are the main differences that you have noticed since 2016 up to date in Malta?
Well, right now I can see that it's much more expensive and it's much warmer. Yeah.
Where do you live now?
Right now I'm living in Norway. in
How can
Oslo.
you in Oslo? How can you make a comparison with the cost of living in Oslo and now in Malta? Because you've been to supermarkets to check the prices and stuff.
Well, to be honest, I think that in some places the prices are even higher than the prices in Oslo. I mean,
Really?
yeah.
Tell me
for
like an item or
groceries.
something.
Yeah, for example, the fruits can be more expensive here. Some
Because
of
we
the
import
fruits.
them, yeah.
Yeah. But logically, I think that as Malta is closer to a warmer place, should be cheaper. And also, yeah, they can have their own production, but still the prices are very high.
Thanks, Chris. That's so good that you're mentioning. Anything else that you would like to say that it comes right of your mind, like the difference that you have noticed in Malta?
Yeah, I can see that right now there is a different category of people, like there are less Europeans. I guess after the corona many people left and they didn't come back, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I've noticed as well. Now I have more people from South Asian countries, more people from Latin America, rather than Serbia, Macedonia, Italy, Spain, UK, like it used to be.
Before when I was going out, I could see that most of the stuff, for example, is from Macedonia or Serbia, and now I barely can see some people from our countries.
They're leaving. I need to make a dedicated video about this because it's a very good topic. Thanks, Chris, for answering. Now it's time for the drinks. You guys, I cannot honestly even explain to you how much fun we are having enjoying on the boat. Malta is always just for the good vibes, and I will be forever thankful for having a beautiful life here, honestly. Speedboat! And we just arrived, guys. It was an amazing day with so much fun, with so much laughter, enjoyment. We really had a blast today. Sorry for my hair, I was diving and having fun. What a life. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video and if you would like me to do another activities that you can do over the summertime in Malta, please let me know down in the comment section of this video. If there is any other video that you would like me to create, just let me know as well. And until I see you in my next one, bye!